Hi, I just want to quickly shoot this video to thank my fitness coach Simran. I have been working with her from past I think 3 to 4 months, and I really like the way she approaches the entire coaching. She mixes diet with exercise. And what I really like about the process is she asks me to send photos of every food I take. So before I consume any food, I take a photo and I send it to her. And it really helps because it makes me more conscious of what I'm eating and how much I'm eating. And she also guided me very well on what to eat and what not to eat. And whenever I get any doubt or if I'm stuck with anything, I shoot a message and I receive almost like within like 15 to 20 minutes a correct response and the proper guidance. So the entire process has been very seamless and it has helped me a lot. So thank you Simran for all the help and I look forward to working with you more in the coming next months. Thank you.